Hey guys, and welcome to another review and unboxing by the Review Dad. That's me. So let's get straight into it and see what I have today. Now I'm going to have to get up for this one because it's a bit of a bigger one than usual. This is the package that arrived. As you can see, it's round inside, like my tummy, and yeah, it's fairly heavy, but not super heavy. Let's get this open and see what it is. Cool. So already this looks nice. So this is Life of Photo. That's the brand. You can see it's round. It sounds crunchy like one of those dog toys you get. It's got a zip. It's got a nice handle. So you can carry it around, so it is portable. And what is inside is quite a nice carry bag, nice zip, sort of like a umbrella material, so that's cool. So this is what is inside. Another bag. So that's blue and that's green. So this is a green screen. So let's get this out and see what it's like. Very noisy, the packaging. So this one is a portable green screen, double-sided, blue and green, so you can use either one. And it's for office use or gaming or things like that. And I'll open it up. It's quite, whoa, this is going to spring open quite quickly. Yeah. Oh jeez. Oops. Okay, this is big. Wow. So there it is. It's 2 meters by 1.5. Now I'm 187, so you can see that's pretty tall. So wow, nice fabric. Not see-through, so you can't see my hand through that, so it's actually quite nice. I've got a light this side, so I'll bring that in so you can see there. It's not reflecting, and if I put the light through the back, you can see through there. So again, with green screens, your lighting is most important to get that right. So this is the blue side. It's got a little handle on the top, if I can bend that down so you can hang it. This is, yeah, no, this is cool, this one. Wow, this is nice. And you can also hang it in a landscape way, so it's more wider. So if you need the wider width of that, you've got these handles here, so you can hang those as well. Or you can just rest it like I am in the back, and yeah, it all works quite well. So I guess you can even put it on your chair. This one doesn't come with straps. The ones you can get, smaller ones with straps, and those can then attach to the chair. So even just doing that and just letting it rest will be, I guess, sufficient enough to do your videos or gaming. So yeah, so if I was sitting here and this was my camera filming me, you know, I could then obviously crop that through OBS or whatever software you're using to do the green screen. So you've got the blue and the green. The fabric's very nice. It's actually like a material, so it's quite nice. So that's it. What I'll do is I will get into some filming with this, and I will edit out the green in the chair and see what it's like. Let me turn it around and do the green for you. Ooh, okay. So, okay. Oh, knocking over lights. Oh, knocking over speakers. Pulling down the fan. And there we have the green. The green screen. There we go. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you put that sort of there, that actually fits quite nicely, yeah? And then obviously your lighting, you need to get that correct. You can see how that lights up. And we'll do the landscape one. So that's there as well, so you can hang that up like so. And that covers quite a lot of the screen. That's pretty cool, yeah? Okay, well let me film a few things with me in the back and do some editing and that, and we'll see what the background looks like. So yeah. Well, that was very frustrating. I just couldn't get it right to close it up. But after a quick video online, I had a look to see how it works. And here we go. It is actually very easy to do if you know how to do it. Everything's easy to do when you know how to do it. So basically you take the top right corner and hold it on the middle left, pull down on the top right and guide it on the left, and start twisting it in towards yourself so you get like a Pringle shape. That's the only shape I could sort of associate it with to see how to get this correct. So once you've got that Pringle shape, you keep twisting the right hand side in and it will flick around and create 3 smaller circles, and it is so much easier once you know how. And there, I finally got it. Boy, I was happy. Hey guys, okay, so I have now set up the green screen behind me. As you can see, it's just resting on the back of my chair, so it's just leaning a bit forward. So you can see just over here, there's the edge of the one side, and the other side is just off screen. So, you know, I'm in OBS, so what I'll do now is I will just alter the screen slightly and bring that in. But I just wanted to show you how this can work. So what I'll do is I'll put on the color correction and the chroma key, and you'll see how that then makes everything disappear. So now I've got that, and then what I will do is switch to this one, and I will then enable a background, so you can see. So that's how that works. So yeah, you've obviously got to fiddle with you can see some of the green reflection. I've got a light just over here. So yeah, you've got to fiddle around with some of the settings in OBS or whatever tool that you use and go from there. But so far it looks pretty good. It works quite well. I will switch to another background so you can see. So that flicks through there, and then obviously I can change the size of me and move me around the screen like so, and I can look up at this big wolf, and yeah, so there we go. So that's the backgrounds. You can then, you know, with OBS you can put web browsers or games or whatever that is, but you can see the background now. Obviously when you go smaller the resolution looks better, and obviously when you go bigger you can see sort of on the edges by my hair, you know, that's it's a bit wavy and a bit strange, but you know, obviously if you've got your software to fiddle with you can fix that. But there we go. So that's the green screen and me setting it up and getting it working, and it works really well. So that's the green behind me, as you saw, and yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's actually quite cool. And with regards to the fabric, me fiddling with it in the back, as you saw, trying to fold it in, once you get it right into that sort of Pringle shape and you just fold it in, it becomes so easy afterwards. It just becomes second nature to fold it in. And after all that folding, you know, I did get a bit of dirt on it and that, but because it's like this cloth material, it is very easy to just wipe down and clean. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. If you guys are looking for a portable green screen that isn't too big, and it can fit in your office like this one again is 2 meters by 1.5, so you've got some really good size to work with. You can use it for photos, things like that, and then you can just remove the background and replace it with whatever you need. So I'm happy with it. It's really good. I've tested it. It works well. It folds back nicely now that I've managed to work it out quite easily, and yeah, it's a good little device to use if you are gaming or doing Twitch or whatever it is that you're doing, YouTube, and you want the background to change or alter it, whatever you want to do. This is the screen to get. It's really cool. So I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can buy it, and I will see you guys next time for another review. I've also got another green screen review on my channel, and I will also link to that at the end of this video so you guys can also have a look at that, and that's really big. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you again. Cheers.